V-shaped valleys and interlocking spurs. All a V-shaped valley is a valley that is shaped like a letter V. So if you have a look at these two pictures, there is the V shape on each of them. Now, V-shaped valleys are formed through 4 different stages. Stage 1 is just vertical erosion by hydraulic action and abrasion. The river cuts downwards into the land. Stage 2, the valley sides that are left sticking out are weathered through chemical weathering, otherwise known as acid rain, biological weathering, which is tree roots and animals weakening the rock, and then finally mechanical weathering, which is where water enters cracks in rocks, freezes, expands, and then weakens and breaks apart the rock. This weathered material then slides and creeps downwards because of gravity and is finally carried away by the river, leaving our V-shaped valley. So going from left to right, that is the order you could write this in an exam question. Next, interlocking spurs are these wedges or ridges of land that rivers flow around. So in the diagram on the left, there is a spur, there is a spur, there is a spur. And all interlocking means is that they slightly overlap each other, so the river has to curl around them. Now, if we have a look at this river, it naturally curls from side to side. It is going around obstacles, it's following gravity, it's managing to erode away at weaker areas of rock, leaving harder, more resistant areas of rock upstanding. Now, as it goes from side to side, it is cutting down into the land, and this naturally leaves these upstanding wedges of land between the river's curls. So again, this is how I would write it in an exam. Rivers or streams curve from side to side as they head downhill for 2 reasons. Firstly, to avoid obstructions, and secondly, due to gravity. Water moves to the lowest ground, and that might not be straight on, so it curves. The water will erode downwards into bedrock through the processes of hydraulic action and abrasion, and finally, this leaves ridges or wedges of upstanding land between the curves of the river, known as interlocking spurs.